In this video, I will show you how you can create a poll on YouTube. Now, first, what you need to do is go to youtube.com. Now, once you're in here, you're going to need to log into your account. Once that's done, you should be on the YouTube page. Click on this create button right here that you would normally press when you want to upload a video. And instead of upload video, you're going to press create post. Now, once you're in here, you can create a normal post. And as you can see here, there's an image poll or a text poll. An image poll is just a poll but with pictures, and the text poll is a poll with the text. So you can type in something, do you like this, do you like that, do you like that? Here you can add more options if you want more. And then once that's done, you're just gonna click on post and it will be posted. So that's basically how you can create a poll on YouTube. It's really simple, guys. This is how you do it. Thank you for watching.